I'm posting with the same vendor new document. Okay.
Okay.
So I'll select the two different GL also. Here I will say, yeah, so let us do one thing. For that, first of all, check the exchange rate. Correct. I changed today also. So let me tell you, JPY to. So I can try to post in 25th September. If you go to /NFTS43, you can manually enter also exchange rate here. Okay, let us try this. Even today's date also, let me try. So I will say JPY. What should I give? Exchange rate. This one. Say like say 50. Right? It is giving like currently 70 is maintained, but this will accept whatever you give. So I'm giving 1000. Okay. So I will give 400 here. And then let me try the same deal only. Okay, I need to give profit center also, right?
V2. Okay.
And here I'll give 600.
Red.
Profit center 3. Simulate. This is correct, right? Let me simulate. Yeah, so even though the same expense as GL account, but I have separate profit centers. So that when we do the payment with the foreign exchange rate, so we want to see whether this is getting splitted or not as per the expenses line item, as per the profit centers, right? So let me select. It's okay, no problem. We are not bothered about taxes now. Display, and yeah, let me see in the header what exchange rate it has taken. So yeah, it has taken 50. And then let me select open item only. Is this the one? 33. Yeah, it is showing. Okay, let me select the layout which I have created for the document currency. 1000 JPY equals to 500 INR. Okay, now I'm going to make payment, and I should get a foreign exchange difference. Invoice number 33. That's 1000 JPY, right?
Yes.
Currency. JPY. This is vendor open item, and
that
this is the one. I select this. Okay, let me simulate, and we are getting, see now 2 line items we are getting, right? So in here, if you see, you are getting 120. In other line item, you are getting 80.
80.
So that is as per the original expenses line item, wherein you have one is I think 400, other is 600. 400, 600. As per that, the exchange rate you are getting. But you need to notice is that this is getting splitted in the
Entry view.
itself. So this is not document splitting function. This is not document splitting function, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So what you see here for a exchange gain loss, this is original line item. Okay, let me change the currency. Can I change the currency? Yes.
Yes.
So I'm going to change currency to local currency. Yes. So what you are getting this line item we were having in the entry view also. So this is not part of document splitting. What document splitting is doing is it is splitting your vendor line item and your bank line item. Correct.
Yes.
It is similar to how we just checked for the discount, right? Vendor discount received. It is exactly the same.
Yes.
Alright, so let me save this and display. Correct. So yeah, here also we are getting profit center in the entry view. This profit center has been taken from the expenses line items. Done.